What's up, guys? I'm Steve with Pacific Lawn Sprinklers. I'm here with Mason G. He runs and owns a franchise in Charlotte, North Carolina. He's here with us at the 2022 new franchisee training, although he's not a new franchise. So why'd you come to this training? You know, you didn't have to. This is really for new guys. So why'd you decide to come?
Well, I came to this training basically to refresh my skills, obviously, because I'm not perfect. You know, there's always room for growth and everything like that. But actually, I really came here because I finally hired a second guy so I could push him in a second truck. So he's getting the whole Pacific experience. He's learning our standards, our ethics, you know, all the pricing of everything, how to do it all. So that's why I'm here, helping him feel comfortable so he can hit the ground running when we go back home. So
cool.
Yeah.
Cool. Nice. So how do you like our training? How do you what do you think about it? You know, some of the stuff we talk about, is it what you expected, or you know, sometimes we try to deliver things that are interesting.
Oh yeah.
What would you say?
No, it's definitely top of the line training. You really, I don't see how it could be any better. You know, they go through your tablet, they go through your business numbers, they go through role play scenarios, they go through proper daily habits and your best way to just continuously making it money. You know, keeping the truck stocked, clean, stuff like that. You know, just always being prepared for the next day. And they kill it, man. They kill it.
Nice.
They keep you in check.
Entertaining.
Yeah.
Nice. Glad to hear that. Now, my last question for you. You know, you made a pretty big move. You jumped from Kentucky, where you had family, friends, life,
Yeah.
and you moved to Charlotte. Are you happy with your decision? You moved to Charlotte for your franchise.
It's been, I don't have words, to be honest. It's far exceeded my expectations so far. It's awesome. The worst part about it is, you know, like he said, your friends and family are a little far away, but you know, sometimes you just gotta jump off a cliff and do it, man.
Yeah.
And here we are, and I have not regretted a second. It's a lot of hard work, but it's gonna get you that freedom you want, I promise.
Hell yeah.
I know it will, I can feel it. So
I like your style, man. All right, bro. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming. I appreciate it.
Thank you guys.
I'll see you guys
Couldn't
soon.
do it without y'all. So.
Thank you.